English vocabulary words for sweets and desserts from espressoenglish.net. Pie. The edge of the pie is called the crust. The inside is called the filling. This is a cherry pie because the filling is made of cherries. Cake. This cake has 4 layers. The sweet white stuff is called frosting or icing. Cupcakes. These cupcakes have blue frosting. Chocolate. This picture shows dark chocolate, milk chocolate, and white chocolate. Brownies. Pudding. This is a lemon pudding. Gelatin. Jello. Whipped cream. We put whipped cream on top of pies, cakes, ice cream, and sometimes drinks like hot chocolate or coffee. Candy. Lollipop. Marshmallows. Cotton candy. Ice cream. Popsicle. Ice pop. Jelly beans. Gumdrops. Gum, chewing gum or bubble gum. Candy cane. You can learn hundreds more vocabulary words in the Vocabulary Builder course available at espressoenglish.net. It will help you increase your vocabulary so that you can express yourself more fluently in English. Visit espressoenglish.net, click on Courses, and look for the Vocabulary Builder course.